every company wants to give back to the community. Some companies have beach cleanup, some companies donate school supplies. If you're a tech company, something that is very easy to share, very affordable to share, but at the same time is very, very valuable to the people receiving is skills, is knowledge. If you can just somehow help one person to get into a career in tech. I mean, it's happened so many times where one person gets into a career in tech, he helps his whole family sometimes get out of poverty. It's really a big deal if we can share our skills. Again, it costs very little for us. It's just our time and maybe a little time to make effort in writing slides, time in conducting. But for other people, it can be life-changing. If we do one of these things and we only affect one life, that's already a huge thing. That's my reason for advocating these activities.
I want to be a doctor.
I really want to be a robotics engineer.
I want to be an accountant.
I want to be a chemical engineer.
Global warming and climate change are very evident in today's society. Even if I cannot reverse the effects of global warming and climate change with my talents and dreams, at least I really want to just prevent further damage to the earth.
I'm mainly interested in food, maybe like food science, or also solve the food shortage.
I want to be able to help because the poor is part of our society, and for our society to improve, I have to also help the poor and the rich and everyone else.
I learned that programming isn't just about like learning the language, it's also about knowing the logic between your program. It involves really thinking outside the box.
First time po kasi namin talagang pag-aralan yung Java programming language. So yung buong basics po tsaka lahat ng technicalities ng Java programming, yun po talaga yung tutunan namin.
I learned many things. It's like all subjects are interconnected and I could apply all the things I've learned here to medicine, like our problem-solving skills. That's also very important in the field I want to pursue.
First of all, what I learned was that I could now program Java already. What I really learned today was that even if a problem can seem hard, with thorough analysis, you could solve anything.
I'm gonna quote the motto of Orange and Bronze. You must be able to adopt best practices and share them with others. I think it's a very good idea to be able to impart the knowledge that I've learned, because I won't be where I am right now without the help of others too. It's my way of repaying back to the community, and also in helping others, we also grow as an individual. It's not really just helping them; it's also making us a lot happier and healthier.
Malaki kasi, halimbawa, makuha yung interest nila sa field ng computer science. Kung baga ma-enhance sa kanilang ability to make applications, maganda siya.
Maganda po yung workshop since yung speaker po halatang knowledgeable po dun sa topic.